Jess and I started this law firm because we really wanted a different kind of law firm and we wanted to be different kinds of lawyers, and that's what we've done.
I'm Jessica Kauser. The key to a good attorney is to learn when to be aggressive and to learn when to be cooperative. We really pride ourselves on being able to recognize that distinction.
I'm Laura Hansen-Polcastre. We do divorce, custody, adoption,
Guardianship of children, modifications of custody.
Basically anything that has to do with families or the structure of families, we can help out with that. We are the law partners at Just Law.
The very first thing we do when you come into our office is talk about your goals and where you see yourself in 2 years, 3 years, 5, and 10 years down the road. At Just Law, we will never use children as a bargaining chip. We go out of our way to educate ourselves on child development and how that relates to a divorce or custody case. Approximately 3% of cases are actually resolved in a trial. I love going to court. That's one of my favorite parts of the job. However, I don't always feel that that's the best route for my clients because you have lots of options. Any kind of family law conflict, and every case needs a different approach.
Mediation has a really high success rate. 90% of our cases get resolved in the mediation process.
We also have a process called collaborative law.
The collaborative law system is relatively new to Utah. There are only a few attorneys who are doing it. We are able to come up with solutions without ever having to go to court and without ever having to use judges. Sometimes it's win or lose. When we go to court and we win, it's a win. But for the long-term impact of resolving the entire case, we try not to make it into a win-lose game. In general, a good outcome is an outcome that ends a case, that allows people to have peace and resolution and to move on with their lives.